Here is how to troubleshoot ChatGPT if it's lagging or running slowly. One common cause of lag is very long chat history or large input. For example, opening a long chat can take a while to load, and once the chat gets too long, ChatGPT can start to lag. To fix this, if you have important information in the long chat, type something like "give me every info from this chat" and also write a master prompt. Then paste this into a new ChatGPT session, and this will give you the same results as the original chat without missing any information. And after moving the information to a new chat, delete the old lagging chat by clicking on the three dots and then click on delete and click on delete again to confirm. Another quick fix is to refresh the page or restart the app. This can resolve temporary issues and improve performance instantly. Also check your internet connection, as a slow, unstable connection can delay responses. So ensure that you're connected to a stable network, and if you're using ChatGPT in a browser, try switching to a different one. For example, Chrome to Microsoft Edge or Firefox. And clearing your browser cache can also improve performance. So tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. And here select Privacy and Security. Then select Delete Browsing Data. Select the time and then select the cached images and files and select Delete Data, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom right. Avoid sending extremely large prompts all at once. Breaking them into smaller parts can help generate responses faster. Finally, ensure that your app or browser is up to date, as updates often include performance improvements. So for that, you need to tap on the three dots again, go to Settings. From here, select About Chrome, and here it will check for updates and it will automatically update. These are some simple ways for ChatGPT lagging and keep everything running smoothly. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.